let's go ahead and open this up. Very nice finish. Very nice. Alright, so we'll turn it on. Alright, cool. In the meantime, we will go ahead and open up the Magic Keyboard. So this is a $250 Magic Keyboard. They had the other Smart Folio, but this seems to be much better. I saw some reviews of it and it looks really nice. Let's check this out. Alright, cool. So it looks similar to the actual iPad. Very nice finish. Alright, cool. Wow, it's really heavy. Yeah, it's just more paperwork and stuff in there. And yeah, so this is the Magic Keyboard, and supposedly this is how you put the iPad up there. It just has magnets and it just sits there, which is pretty nice. And we'll set this up right now.